There's been some confusion over classes here at MIPA, but of course I've got my ice cream.
But of course I'll be friend Jeremy,
For I know that's how you want me to respond, yes. There's been some confusion, for you see my classmate is
unusually and exceedingly peculiar and altogether quite impossible to describe.
Peppy.
What is this feeling so sudden and new?
I felt the moment I laid eyes on you.
My story's forming,
My camera's clicking.
InDesign spinning.
What is this feeling? Unbiased is my aim. Does it have a name? Yes.
Reporting,
Interviewing and reporting.
find your source, no consorting.
We can't wait. Report it all. Every little
Quote, both big and small, makes our stories much better overall. With simple good reporting, exclusive stories and features. Shout out to our favorite teachers. Editing for so long, going to admit our headlines slap. Substance follows suit, you won't read crap, because we are reporters writing stories all day long. As Speed Jeremy, you are just too good. How do you stand it? I don't think I could. Run the camp and do the promos, we could try, but what do we know? This is why you get the big dough.
Well, these things do take skills.
Campers coming get to reside in Shaw Hall with their windows open wide. We just want to tell you, you'll have a great time. You will be reporting, interviewing and reporting. Find our source, pen, no consorting. We can't wait. Report it all. Oh, what is this very little quote, both big and small? Makes our stories much better overall. Yes, reporting, exclusive stories and features. Reporting, shout out to our favorite teachers. Reporting, editing for so long. Now we're doing this. Our headlines slap. Substance follows suit. You won't read crap, because we are reporters for forever, writing stories that are unwritten. And MIPA
Boom.